Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I'm trying a totally different look today. This is the look that I'm trying to achieve today. Okay, so this video is all about me reviewing eyeshadow palettes. As I told you, I'm going to do a series of these because I think it's important to not just wear the look, but talk about it. Tell you guys a little bit about the palette, if I recommend it, how many stars I'd give it, things like that. Now this one here, I believe I received this in a Face Sugar monthly subscription, but I don't think they're in business anymore because I no longer get anything from them and they don't respond to any emails. This has been about 3 months now. So this palette here is called COLOURED RAINE, Queen of Hearts. And it's like Coloured Rain. So I'll spell it for you. C-O-L-O-U-R Raine, R-A-I-N-E, Queen of Hearts. It's a simply magnificent palette. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I kid you not. Beautiful shades. I am wearing today, I decided to go with this look similar to the picture to try and achieve a beautiful orange, almost rust color eye. And I think I've done it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'll go into a little bit of the colors that I used. In this palette, they have just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. This one here, I used on my upper lid, if you could tell. It's a beautiful burnt orange, and it's called Empress, E-M-P-R-E-S-S. And then this one here, I went in also as my transition shade, is Royal Prerogative. Gorgeous. And then this one I went in on the top parts of my lid. It's called Air, like an heiress. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I don't know where this palette came from. I think, as I said before, it came from Face Sugar. But truly, truly, look this up. I'll make sure that the name is down below. It has beautiful matte shades, several matte shades in the palette. 12. So the matte shades consist of 6 matte, that makes sense, 6 matte and 6 shimmer. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There are even some, it's kind of hard to see. There are even some, oh, it's just gorgeous. Metallic in here. And then so metallic shades. Yeah, so the 6 of each. I love this, love this, loved it. It is distributed out of San Diego, California. Coloured Raine Cosmetics, LLC. I highly recommend it. I'm loving these eyeshadow palettes, and as I said, I tend to gravitate towards a Morphe palette most of the time. I'll just grab what's near me. But I said, you know what? I have all these palettes. I might as well talk about them, tell you guys about them, give them my recommendation or not. This here, I must say, I give a 5-star for sure. It is gorgeous. If I had any fallout at all, I don't think so. Very, very minimal. And I love the colors. They're so vibrant. Look at how vibrant this is. It's kind of crazy. I went with the red lips simply to emulate these ladies here. I love their look, and I was able to achieve the color with this palette. Unbelievable. And I must give a full disclosure that I'm wearing Jacqueline's Beauty eyelashes, the 3D Mink lashes in number F as in Frank, V as in Victor, 11. I love these lashes, I must say, but I feel my face is amazing. I rarely wear red lipstick. I definitely don't wear like a rust, orangey, burnt orange eyes. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think it looks nice. It's elegant. And whether you're sitting at home doing a quarantine or you're going out for dinner, this is a great look. So this palette, I apologize, I don't know how much it costs, simply because it came in a gift bag. So let me know your thoughts. If you know about this brand, give a shout out, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and click the JB to subscribe. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's beauty blog. Is it on my teeth? No. Oh, it's good. Great. And please, please, please check out my lashes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.